It's finally cold here in New Mexico. I love the cold. What's up, guys? Welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday. Today, well, tonight, we're out here on this beautifully crappy evening, and I figured I'd show you guys how a few different ways to make the most of low light situations, whether it's from crappy weather or just at nighttime or anything like that. So I'm just gonna walk around and I'm gonna give you guys some pointers on what I'm doing to get some cool photos. I'm gonna use the drift method. Freaking incredible. Round F16 for that to get that sunburst. All right, first tip, especially for stuff like this one where it's Christmas time right now and this downtown area's got a lot of cool lights. So two benefits of having a super fast lens. So the first benefit is super fast. This is, well, there are faster lenses, but this is an f1.8. I'm shooting with a Tamron 45 f1.8. So you're gonna want something that's faster like this, and also if it has image stabilization, that's gonna help a lot. So that's one of the reasons why I love these new Tamron primes, is because not only are they fast, but they do have image stabilization. They call it VC, vibration compensation or something, but it stabilizes the image. All right, and the other benefit of having something super fast and wide open aperture is the bokeh. And stuff like this, especially holiday time, beautiful bokeh, that's what's up. So let's just go open the aperture wide up and see what kind of cool shots we can get. Also, there's some creepy people staring at me through the window. I mean, you might as well take a picture with them, they're there. And they look so happy. Second tip, make use of the wet weather. And if you don't have wet weather, bring a water bottle and just pour something down and make a little puddle. Nighttime reflections and stuff like that make for really cool photos, and getting low and exaggerating that crazy depth of field and all that stuff looks pretty cool. So make use of the weather if it's raining, and if it's not raining, bring some water. So for the next tip, something that I really enjoy doing, and that's long exposures. So for that, you're going to need a tripod and something that can do manual. All right, so last tip is if you want to shoot portraits, especially in like cityscapes and stuff like that, use the available lights. Like we got these Christmas lights, we got the street light, if you got lights from reflections of windows and signs. And then if you want to make that available light pop and add a little extra into it, then bring yourself along a little light source of some kind. So I'm using this Lume Cube, but any of those little like pocket LED lights, or even the light from your smartphone, and you know, the flashlight, anything like that, just to give it a little bit of fill light, that'll help make those images pop and get those the faces, especially if you're doing the portraits, nice and smooth and pretty looking. All right, guys, so that's it. Those are my tips for shooting at nighttime. If you have any questions about anything that I did, or you want to know specifically about settings or anything like that, leave those in the comments below and I'll definitely answer them. Definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've got new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Hit that like button if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.